strawberry-filled bonbon cake. Brilliant dessert idea for you. In a bowl, start by adding 10 tablespoons of powdered milk. Next, add some condensed milk and mix until it reaches a dough-like texture. This is the perfect consistency. Let's take a small amount. Now open it with your hands. Place a strawberry in the center, then close it up. It'll look like this. Now let's grab some cake on the side. Use any cake you prefer. I'm using chocolate cake here. I'll remove the center of this whole cake. Then make a base layer like we did with our dough. Now, just add our strawberry. It'll look like this. Next, dip it in melted chocolate. After that, let it harden. Once firm, it'll look like this. Now enjoy. Look how amazing it turns out, folks. Try it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. Another quick recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time, and thanks.